What's up, traders? A 3 for 3 today, just under Q. Let's get to it. Let's see AMRN here. Nice little move through 5. So we get up through 510. There we go. Nice little squeeze. Starting to jiggle here. See if it goes high of day. Just trying high of day. Nope. All right, we're going to get started here. 511. Nice. See if we can get down through 5. Was going to do 100 shares, decided 75 because I thought this might actually continue a little bit, but we felt the jiggle there and I didn't have time to change my share size. Yeah, so it's going to put us right around 497-ish area. Here we go. There it is. Okay, sweet. Yep, put us right at that $10 mark. Going to start APHA here, 473. Not the fastest of movers, but can't deny the extension. We'll put the cover out at 463. See if we can get that quick flush down there towards VWAP. Watch him plug here through 1550. Nice. Starting to jiggle here. Yep, we're going to start it here, 57. We'll put our order right at what, 1530. Looking to add here on APHA as well. Just don't know what I want to do with it. See if we can get down through 1550 on PLUG. This is definitely not the trade we're looking for anymore. We're just looking to get out of it. Coming down here on PLUG. Nice. Pretty quick move here. See if we can get the fill, 35. We're sitting at 30. 33, 32, 31. Saw 31. We're not going to mess around with it. Took it at 35. Be happy with it. APHA did try to go high of day here. If it gets rejected, we're going to get our ad here. Look for it to be a little bit of a fake out breakout. Then again, we're just going to try to get out of this thing. This is not the trade we wanted. So 485 is where we got our ad as it was faking out up through high of day. We'd look to get one last ad up near 490. Unfortunately, that doesn't quite look good for us because the odds are it would try to get up towards 5 if it gets through 490. That would definitely stop us out for our max loss. See if we can get through 80. It's kind of where it held support last time. There we are at 80 again. Nice, we're through. 78, just one more cent to get us out of this thing. Not quite. There we go, 78. See if we can get one more penny. Get us that fill. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right, so out of APHA there. Not exactly what we wanted, but we'll take it. All right, that was my trades. AMRN, APHA, and plug PLUG. Starting here on AMRN. These were some pretty simple ones here at the bell, just some nice extensions away from that previous resistance through pretty key areas. The only one that wasn't through a key area was APHA. But again, just felt for the jiggle here, AMRN. Got our cover order exactly where we wanted it. We did downsize a little bit more, so we needed a little bit more of the move than we wanted. But thankfully, that put us right above that previous resistance, so it still ended up working out pretty nicely. As you can see, it did bounce, came all the way back up here through 5 up to 510, trying to get through high of day, and then took a pretty nice elevator ride back to the downside. So would have had to hold through a little bit more, but it did give us a nice huge move back down, and then ultimately ended up trying to go back up to the high of day, missed it by a penny there. So pretty wild ride there for AMRM, but we did take our piece out of it. Down here to APHA, this one was a pretty nice extension. It was really slow, higher float as well. So got in and it just kept on grinding, and at this point we didn't really want to be in the trade, especially because through 490 the odds are this thing might try $5, that key hold dollar, and it wouldn't have looked good for us. So it was a tough one because we were already through that $0.50 area when we got in, so that was kind of our initial goal, was to try to ride it back down towards that area. But once it started grinding, then it starts getting in your head that it might try to test that whole dollar area up there at 5. So when it started to jiggle after it attempted high of day one more time, we took a chance. Then it ended up going high of day again. That's kind of when I was like, it kind of sucks. Probably going to hit the max loss on this one because it's going to go through 490 and try 5. But thankfully it didn't. Gave us a chance to get out. And as you can see, we pretty much bottom ticked this thing. Our order was at 77, got as low as 76.39. So pretty much bottom ticked that, as it did bounce back up here to 84, but ultimately would have given us our chance to get out again before doing what it's doing now. And it does look like it wants to try to go high of day. By midday, I'm assuming it's going to be there because this looks pretty strong. And then down here on PLUG, this one was a pretty decent one, had a pretty quick move here to start. Wasn't really convinced with that move. I wanted a little bit more out of it, and sure enough, it actually gave it to us, and it was an even faster move right through that whole dollar. Got up to 1563. Our order was at 1557. Came back down. This one, we didn't make the full amount. I put an order out there to get it, but it was a pretty quick move back down, and it was about 50% of the move. You've put our line right here. It's about 50% of that new move, actually a little bit more. And so I wasn't trying to get greedy with it over a couple cents, and so we ended up taking it off pretty close to that $10 spot that we were looking for. So pretty good day, 3 for 3, right under Q. Got 23.30 out of the 30, so can't complain there. Gonna move on to tomorrow. Not a bad Monday. Mondays typically aren't our best day, so I'm gonna take it and move on. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Always appreciate that support. We do put this content out there for free, so if you don't mind, hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.